City leaders making plans for Tallahassee in 2025 and beyond. I'm Kendall Brandt, live in Tallahassee's downtown neighborhood. Earlier today, city leaders gathered for their annual retreat where they heard how groups like the airport, Tallahassee Police Department, and others did this last year, and they're looking for ways to make improvement. City commissioners and the mayor spent about an hour talking about how to lower fares, increase service, and economic impact at the Tallahassee International Airport. While traffic numbers were up in 2024, some commissioners brought up concerns about fare pricing. This as U.S. Department of Transportation data shows TLH is the most expensive out of the top 150 airports in the country. Airport Director David Pollard noted those fares are set by the airlines. But he says improving infrastructure with projects like the International Processing Facility and potentially providing economic incentives to airlines could help bring more to the area and drive down price.
Yes, we're encouraging them to lower their costs and do what they can, but I submit to you, I can lower my cost to zero. I can tell them they're paying no cost, and I will let you know that does not equal a lower cost ticket.
The city also wants to build upon progress made at the Tallahassee Police Department. There was a 15.5% decrease in violent crime in 2024 from 2023. Chief Lawrence Revel says community partners like the Urban League and Neighborhood Crime Watches helped lower that number. And he says the partnership will expand with their public safety camera initiative in the next 2 to 3 months. If neighbors want to, the department will allow people and businesses with security cameras to share their footage with TPD to help solve crime.
That camera would be recorded on their server in their business or in their home, and then they would allow us access to that if in fact a crime occurred or whatever.
Now, city leaders aren't done talking about TPD today. They are going to have a public hearing at 6 to vote on whether or not to dissolve the Citizens Police Review Board after a law that went into effect in July bans groups like those for oversight of the police department in cities across the state of Florida. Live in downtown Tallahassee, Kendall Brandt, ABC 27.